With bread and breakfast, you want your guests, there's a lot of different options. So you want your guests to really have this memorable experience. And you want to make your space look unique, which I've mentioned a lot before. So one of my thoughts with the chalkboard paint is it can be interactive for the guests. They can sign their names, people around these whimsical characters, people wrote around them. So creating something kind of fun like that is always really great. This piece here is an old fireplace mantle, and we painted the inside with chalkboard paint, and then a local artist did the flame. So, which I loved that factor of bringing in local people to contribute, because it's all about supporting the community and supporting what's local.